What happened if you're born half human, half bird? Age 1. From the moment you opened your eyes, you did not belong to just one world, but two. Age 3. You try to learn how to walk and wave your wings. Age 6. Here comes your fist glide with the guide of your mother. Age 9. You already learned how to fly in the depths of heights you alone, no guidance of your mother. Age 12. You want to learn to fly when the wind's so strong, and you learned it. Age 15. Your first fly in the sunset cloudy sky. Age 18. Here's your first fly in the city. You saw a human and you think, why am I like him? Age 21. You build your own nest for your family over the highest building. Age 25. You became an unstoppable human bird and no one can beat you.